Hello friends, in this video you will see what's inside a Dell rechargeable battery. It's a Dell rechargeable laptop battery which is rechargeable lithium-ion battery type T1G6P. As you can see, this is an internal laptop battery and you can also see the condition of the battery. In this video we are going to pop it open and you will find what type of cells are installed in this battery. As you can also see, this is a capacity rating, says rating 11.1 volt and capacity 30 watt hours. Battery cells are less than 400 watt hours. Let's quickly turn this battery and try to pop it open. I am using a knife to open this. The condition of battery has gone extremely bad. As you can see, there are 6 cells already installed in the battery pack. There is a BMS on the left side, 3 cells, lithium polymer cells, all are in bad condition. Let's pull this up. Okay, let's see the numbers printed. This is 5 watt hour, 3.7 volt, some batch number, etc. Same printing on every cell. This little connector is a thermostat which prevents battery from overheating while charging and discharging. This tiny circuit is a BMS which helps in charging and discharging of battery properly. But as you can see, the circuit has failed and battery has also failed. Let me quickly take the batteries out. These type of batteries in this condition are dangerous to store, as they can anytime go bad and create fire. Never store these batteries in your house or your office. Batteries are glued to the base. I'm trying very hard to open them. You can see all the batteries are out. The BMS circuit is also out. You can see the readings. This is the final product. These are the cells which were included in the battery pack. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.